Good day everyone, this is Bornin Batanes once again. Today we are going to make custard cake, steam custard cake and bake custard cake. So let's start. First, let's make our caramel. It's just sugar and water. You boil it until you achieve the golden brown color. So as usual, the recipe will be written on the description box below. So once you achieve the golden brown color, you pour it in your prepared pans and set it aside. And now let's make our custard. We mix our egg, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and vanilla. Give it a good stir. And then once it's all incorporated, we're going to strain it and set it aside. And so now, let's prepare our cake batter. We sift our dry ingredients and then add our sugar and mix it all together. We set it aside, and now let's mix the wet ingredients for our cake batter. It's just egg, milk, and vegetable oil. We pour it on our dry ingredients and we mixed it until it's fully incorporated. And then after that, we're going to make our meringue. So to achieve perfect meringue, your eggs should be room temperature. So we beat the egg whites until it's frothy, and then we add our sugar a little bit at a time, and then we keep on mixing until we reach the stiff peak. So that's the stiff peak I am talking about. And so after that, we're going to combine our cake batter with our meringue. So take 1/3 of your meringue and start folding it into your cake batter. Gently folding it so that we don't deflate the air that we incorporate in our meringue. So do it slowly. Now be careful not to overmix your cake batter. So that's almost done. So once we're done with this step, we can start assembling our custard cake. So first, we pour our custard on top of our caramelized sugar, and then we pour the cake batter on top gently. And so once that's done, we can start cooking. So one is for baking and one is for steaming. We are going to cover it with tin foil, the one for steaming. I have boiled the water already. So the water should be boiling when you put your custard cake in the pan. You will steam it for at least 55 minutes, same as with the baking, the same time. And so as you can see, because I put too much cake batter in my baking tin, it overflow. So don't do that mistake. So once it cools down a little bit, we can flip it now and let's see the difference. So after I flip and put it on a plate, I found out that it doesn't really have a difference. It's just the color on top. Of course, because it's steam, it's lighter and it's baked. The one that is baked has the golden brown color, so it looks more beautiful, but the taste is the same. The texture is the same, and so that's it. So if you want to make a custard cake and you don't have oven, no problem at all, you can steam it. So I hope that I shared something interesting with you today, and I hope that you'll try to make it. And if you have a question, please leave a comment on the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So once again, thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.